You ever feel like life's supposed to start after you get that 9-to-5 job? But instead, it just feels like you signed up for a lifelong subscription to stress. You wake up, rush to work, sit under white office lights, and by Friday, you're too tired to even enjoy your own weekend. It's like, when did life turn into just surviving Monday through Friday? You went to school, got the degree, landed the job, you did everything right. But somehow you're still broke, tired, and wondering where the joy went. Like, they told us this was the dream, but it kind of feels like the dream forgot about us. The system wants you exhausted, too tired to dream, too scared to quit. They make you believe hustle equals worth, that burnout is just part of being successful. But girl, that's the trap. They profit when we stay tired. You scroll on TikTok seeing girls traveling, creating, living free, and you wonder, why not me? Deep down, you know you want more than comfort, you want freedom. Because if you don't change anything, 5 years from now, you'll still be in that same cubicle, sipping that same iced coffee, wondering when life starts. But what if freedom wasn't a dream, but a plan? Hey, I'm Sophia, and welcome back to Sophia Cash, where we're helping you glow up financially. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our Freedom Glow Up videos. This video is for education and inspiration only, not financial advice. We're diving into how Gen Z women are living free without a 9-to-5, the mindsets that make it possible, and how you can start your own path. We were told a 9-to-5 is security, right? But let's be real, that's not security, that's dependency. You depend on one paycheck, one boss, one system that can replace you overnight. Real freedom is when you don't need permission to live your life. According to Pew, 57% of Gen Z say they'd rather be self-employed. That's not laziness, that's awareness. We see how fragile job security really is, so we're choosing flexibility, creativity, and control over our time. Imagine waking up at 10 a.m. sipping coffee by the beach, laptop open, and no HR manager breathing down your neck. You're working your way, wherever you feel most alive. That's not a dream anymore, it's the new normal. The 9-to-5 promises comfort, but inflation eats that up. Comfort becomes a trap, keeping you small. Like Jamie Lynn Beatty said, jobs fill your pocket, but adventures fill your soul. So go fill your soul. You know what's wild? Freedom doesn't mean doing nothing. It means creating something that's yours. It's about building income from creativity, not just clocking in. This generation is turning passion into paychecks, one idea at a time. Over 45% of Gen Z are already making money online, freelancing, reselling, creating content, building brands. We're rewriting the meaning of work with Wi-Fi and creativity. Making $2,000 a month from your phone just hits different than waiting a whole year for a tiny raise. But real talk, it's not instant. It's not about scrolling TikTok and hoping for fame overnight. It's strategy, skills, and consistency. Don't chase trends. Build something that lasts, something that grows with you. Because at the end of the day, hustle means designing your own freedom. You're not just making a living, you're making a life. Like Dolly Parton said, don't get too busy making a living that you forget to make a life. Freedom doesn't start when you quit your job. It starts when you shift your mindset. It's not about escaping work. It's about creating a life that feels like yours. Once you realize that freedom is a mental choice first, everything else begins to change. Did you know that 70% of financial freedom is mindset and only 30% is strategy? Because your habits, beliefs, and emotions around money matter way more than the numbers. You can't build wealth if your thoughts keep you in survival mode. When you think free, you act free. You stop making choices out of fear or desperation and start making them out of purpose and desire. That's the moment life starts feeling exciting again, like you're actually in control. Most people wait to feel ready before they start, but ready never comes. The truth is, confidence comes after you take action, not before. Like Henry Ford said, whether you think you can or can't, you're right. You know what's risky? Depending on just one paycheck. Because when that paycheck stops, everything does. Real freedom starts when you build more than one way to earn, even if it's small at first. The average millionaire doesn't have one job. They have 7 income streams: digital products, freelance gigs, rental income, affiliate links, investments, and more. They've built a money system that works while they sleep. Picture this: you wake up, check your phone, and see you made money overnight. That's not luck, that's leverage. When your income multiplies, so does your peace of mind. But remember, it's not about doing everything. It's about doing what fits you. Pick the streams that match your vibe and skills, and let them grow. Like Buffett said, never depend on a single income. You know what real success looks like. It's not just a fat paycheck. It's owning your time. Imagine waking up without an alarm, taking your morning slow, and doing things because you want to, not because you have to. That's the real flex freedom over your hours, not just your income. Time freedom means you design your day the way you want. Yoga at 11 a.m., work at 2 p.m., and maybe a spontaneous trip on Friday. You're not escaping work, you're just doing it on your own terms, in your own rhythm. Most people chase money and forget what really matters: time. Because if you're too busy to enjoy what you've earned, you're not free, you're trapped. Remember what Jim Rohn said: time is more valuable than money. You can get more money, but not more time. Think about it. A regular 9 to 5 means 40 hours a week, 50 weeks a year. That's 2,000 hours spent working for someone else. That's 2,000 hours you could have used to create, explore, or grow something of your own. The question is, are you spending your time building your dream more someone else's? You know that saying, it's lonely at the top? Forget that. Real success happens when you grow together. The women who rise fastest are the ones who reach back and lift others with them. 78% of successful women say community made the difference. It's not luck, it's support, mentorship, and real connection. When we celebrate each other's wins, we all move faster. Imagine building your dream life surrounded by women who actually want to see you win. No jealousy, no gatekeeping, just pure empowerment. That's the new era we're creating. The old world told us to compete, but the new world? It's about connection. Because when one woman rises, we all rise. You don't need everything figured out to start. Seriously, nobody does. Start messy, start small, but just start. Every dream life began with one brave, "why not me?" moment. Most successful creators started broke, literally under $100. What made them different wasn't money, it was momentum. They kept going even when it didn't look fancy yet. Picture this: 1 year from now, you could be earning from your creativity instead of clocking in. You wake up excited, not exhausted. That version of you, she's possible if you start today. Waiting for perfect conditions is just another way of saying never. Progress beats perfection every single time. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is right now. You don't need a 9 to 5 to live well. Freedom is possible through mindset, multiple income streams, and community. The new definition of success isn't working harder, it's living freer. If this inspired you, hit like, drop a comment about what your freedom life looks like, and share this with your bestie who needs to see it. What's one thing holding you back from living free? Let's talk in the comments. You've been watching Sophia Cash, helping you glow up financially. Remember, your freedom story starts the moment you stop waiting for permission. See you next time, beautiful souls.